Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Carry. So today we are going to solve a question based on diameter of binary tree. So first of all, let's read out the problem statement. So the problem statement goes like, given the root of a binary tree, return the length of the diameter of the tree. So first of all, what is diameter? Diameter is basically length of the longest path between any two nodes in a tree. So suppose these two other nodes we have here, and the longest path will be this right here. So the diameter will be 2 because these are the number of edges we have between this path may or may not pass through the root, and the length of path between two nodes is represented by the number of edges between them. So yeah, this is the length. So we have two edges right here, so diameter will be 2 for this right here, this graph right here. Now let's try to find it for this tree right here. We can find out the longest path from here to here. So this is the longest path we have here. So diameter for this will be 1, 2, 3. It will be 3. Diameter will be 3. Now we have this tree right here. Let's try to find it out here. We can either go from here, but this won't be the longest path. So we will go from here to here. So we have over 1, 2, 3, 4 edges over here. So the diameter will be 4 for this tree right here. Now let's try to solve this. So how will we solve this? We have total of 3 approaches. So first of all, we can find the answer in the left subtree, whether the answer is in the right subtree or it's a combination of both subtrees. So now to explain it to you, like the longest path between the nodes can be here in this subtree right here. It can either be on the right subtree or it can be a combination of both, like it passes over to the root node. So these are the 3 cases we have. This is how the code for our this question will be. So first of all, this is our main function, the diameter of binary tree. So what we are doing is we are returning null. Like if the root goes null, then of course return 0. Then we are remember the 3 approaches we talked about. So these are the 3 approaches. We have ans1, ans2, and ans3. We named the 3 variables. So one finds goes to the left subtree, one goes to the right subtree, and this one right here is a combination of both. Means like we can just add height of this tree right here and height of this subtree right here. So these are the 3 options we have, and our answer will be maximum of this tree. Now this is the height function. If you have watched my previous video, which is about depth of a binary tree, so you can find the solution over there. So yeah, now let's try to run this problem. Okay, so it says accepted. Now let's try to submit it. Okay, well, yeah, that's the correct answer. So these are the 3 options we had: ans1, ans2, and ans3. So ans1 give our left subtree. It calculates the left subtree is if there's a diameter over there. This ans2 will go for the right subtree, and this ans3 will be the combination of both of the subtrees. And for the answer, for the final result, we will be returning the maximum of all the 3. So yeah, this is how the solution goes.